This video will surely remove all kinds of problems and give you endless peace of mind. You need to listen this video in a calm, peaceful place. Next few minutes, just focus on this voice. Meditation makes you feel close to your feelings and thoughts. It helps you to respond a situation in a more peaceful and authentic way. First, you need to take a comfortable position. Make sure you are in a position that would not usually fall asleep in. Rest your hands on your lap or on your knees. Close your eyes and check in with yourself to see how you are feeling. Now take a nice slow deep breath in and just hold that breath for a beat. And as you exhale, feeling all of the air leaving your body, take another deep breath, even deeper from the first one. And as you exhale, concentrate on the sound of my voice, allowing it to ground you into the present moment, giving yourself permission right now to focus on you. Make yourself your priority. There is nothing else except you. For the next 5 minutes, your well-being is your focus. Continue to take slow, deep breaths, allowing each inhale to be a bit deeper than the one before it. Now continue the journey of the breath through your body and notice any places where you may holding stress or anxiety in your body. Spread your eyebrows, relax your muscles, and make sure your shoulders drop down from your ears and open your palms. Now allow your breath to return to its normal rhythm in pattern, but keep focus on it. If you feel distracted by any thought or sound, simply acknowledge that it occurred and now gently let it go and return your attention to your breath. When we are anxious or tensed about something, it's because we don't feel we have control over it, and the sense of being out of control can make us feel less safe and secure. We try to control the situation and we think that the problem is much bigger than our potential. So right now I invite you to recall a situation that you feel is causing you anxiety and tension. What you are thinking right now, acknowledge the presence of a problem. Now give permission to those problems, those anxious thoughts to drop away because you don't need it anymore. Let it go. You may notice your mind pushing you even harder to hold on to those anxious situations. Continue to use your breath to anchor yourself back in the present moment, even if you feel get distracted. So the next time you are feeling anxious, remember to breathe and then notice and acknowledge the thoughts and judgment about it. Let them drop away and notice how the anxiousness eases. Focus on the truth of the situation in this moment. You have everything you need right now. Now take a deep inhale in, holding that breath for a beat and exhale it out. Again, take a deeper breath than before, feeling it weave in and out of your muscles and cells and exhale it out. And one last time, your deepest breath, yet sending that oxygen all the way through your entire body. When you reach top of your head, then you are ready. You can open your eyes slowly. Thank you. Have a great day.